All right. So if we had the opportunity of teaching about creativity, what would you do? What would you say? How did you come up with this idea?
Okay, so once again, you know, the biggest loaded question, how'd you come up with this idea? And I always say, I saw the secrets of the universe first. Then I went and did this and this and this. Okay, so I didn't consider myself a creative person, okay? I considered myself more of an analytical, that type of a person. But I started doing what I loved. And if you're doing what you love, you're always going to succeed at it. So from a creative standpoint, the world used to always be a lot more difficult than it is right now. You didn't have the internet where you could go out there and find stuff really quick. You didn't have tools like CAD that allow you to go out there and do all these things three-dimensionally, and then 3D printers which allow you to print them. So if I were teaching people about creativity, it would be about, first, be in a subject that you're passionate about. If you're not passionate about it, odds are you ain't gonna make it, because you got to be able to, you know, it's got to be in your wheelhouse. So number one, be creative about things that you actually love or solve a problem. And that's another key thing. Creativity, everybody's got an idea. How many here have an idea? Raise your hands. Okay, it's freaking everybody, okay? It's worthless, okay, until you can do something with it. And that's the other side of creativity, is being able to take it from idea to the end zone is a battle.